Alright, so peeps, Reggae Sumfest. It is dancehall night. I'm there with the big man, Mr. Devin Di Dakta. What's going on? What is going on, sir? Alright, so Mr. You have outfit where actually I match the bow tie.
Yeah.
Who made this?
Kartel Brown.
Lord of me, sir, Mr. Kartel Brown.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you come up with the inspiration or the look feet?
Yeah, well the color came up with the color. I went to him and tell him the idea, the color we want, and him give him idea, and we just measure up something and just come at Sumfest with something and just
just do it.
The place with something and just something.
Alright. So we see a lot of things are going on in the media lately with I-Octane and with version. How are you trying to keep away from all of that baby mother type of drama?
Is someone ever try me something, you know? Well, I don't have a baby mother.
Okay, yet.
Yet.
Have you ever?
But
yeah.
I will have a baby mother soon.
What do you mean? What do you mean? She's in the pipeline right now? Something in the open up.
Remember the pipeline long from years ago?
And it's just one, right? We're not gonna book up and do it. Question: have you ever been Black China before?
No, sir. They can't rob.
Never get a can, nothing yet.
No, sir.
Okay.
Ask rob.
So question, the one because I know you watch a lot of things and so are going on in the media. What would be your response be to the whole Ishana tablecloth backlash?
This is turquoise suit.
Why, your boy, so Devin always a ditch. Alright, so Devin, well, a quick question. What do you think about the little alkaline situation there?
Oh yeah, Grammy was awesome and was rich. Brown, I don't know anything about any tablecloth. I know this is made by Kartel Brown. So big up Kartel Brown, bless up.
Alright, so last thing now, just tell the people them what can they expect for Devin from now on?
Just expect great music. Anywhere greatness there, just look for Devin Di Dakta.
And tell the people them say you go for the Grammy.
Yes, we are go for the Grammy.
No more nomination, you want.
Yeah, we have to get nomination first.
Oh yeah, and then you call again.
Yes, girl, it no matter if your face got in a scar or it got a couple bumps, me love you just the way you are. Check it out. I need to review my lyrics them, cause me see how the one dirty lyrics sitting. You need to go review a song named Indoctrination. You hear me tell him? INDAK. Trination. Wickeder than that. Go check it out. Dirty lyrics, and me I watch it next time.
Yes.
Indoctrination. When you remember me tell him? Alright.
Why he just load me from my own show? You see that, people? Peace out.